Want to know what diabetes is from the person who lives with it every day? I'm Amy, and I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes 6 years ago. I know how stressful the first weeks with diabetes can be, but I assure you that a better understanding of this disease makes daily life easier. Over the 6 years, multiple doctors and people living with the same condition as I do helped me expand my knowledge of diabetes. Let me share with you the 3 main things that I learned from them and my own experience. First, you need to know that diabetes is a metabolic disease characterized by elevated levels of blood sugar. So, the daily goal is to keep them within a healthy range. Medicine, balanced diet, and moderate levels of exercise help to achieve this result. Second, don't take the diagnosis of diabetes as a life sentence. Yes, it's a persistent disease, but it's better to see it as a wake-up call to kickstart a healthier lifestyle. Learn to put your body's needs first, and diabetes won't stop you from living a long, happy life. The last thing I'll tell you is that diabetes can be really expensive. On average, a person in the US spends $9,601 per year for its treatment. And since as many as 85% of people with diabetes are overweight, they also buy medication to keep cholesterol levels or blood pressure under control. So, weight management alone can reduce the need for medication and, in turn, drastically cut the cost of diabetes treatment. Based on my experience, sticking to a healthy diet is one of the easiest ways to do so. When I got a personalized diabetes meal plan 2 years ago, my personal savings increased by almost $4,000. That's a lot, isn't it? I know that you're probably thinking that dieting is a chore, but trust me, with a personalized meal plan, it's not. When a diet adjusts to your diabetes type, BMI, and food preferences, healthy eating smoothly merges with your lifestyle.